Hi, welcome to the Star City Storytime, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. I'm Miss Sharon and I'm going to read Plumply, Dumply, Pumpkin. And this is by Mary Serfozo and it's from Simon & Schuster. All right. Peter's looking for a pumpkin, a perfect plumply, dumply pumpkin. Not a lumpy, bumpy pumpkin, not a stumpy, grumpy pumpkin, but a sunny, sumptuous pumpkin. Finally, on a twining vine, he spies a pumpkin, fat and fine. Not too fat, though, not at all. Not too short and not too tall. Not some squat, lopsided pumpkin, but a glossy lot of pumpkin. Why does Peter want a pumpkin? Want a showy, glowy pumpkin? Pumpkin pickles? Pumpkin pie? Pumpkin pudding? Pumpkin fry? Pumpkin salad? Pumpkin stew? What is Peter going to do? With his pumpkin home at last, Peter starts in working fast. Draws some eyes and draws a chin, then draws a plumply, dumply grin. Helps his dad carve into place a simply, dimply, dumply face. Lights a light behind the grin to start it glowing from within. Later, wins the most applause, and really no surprise, because perfect pumpkins really do make perfect jack-o'-lanterns too. Oh, that's a cute one. All right. So, if you stopped at the library to pick up your packet, I'd like to show you what's in it. First of all, we're going to do J is for jack-o'-lantern, a little coloring activity there. Then you'll be making a picture frame, and it says, I will always be your little pumpkin. And you color this, and cut out the middle part, and cut out this part, and put your picture inside, and you can give it to someone for Halloween, okay? You will also find this in your bag, and this tells about my story time and what time it's on and where you can find it. And then the last thing you'll find is a kit. Oh, and this is quite long, so I'll have to show you the top all the way to the bottom. And you'll get to make this door hanger to hang in your bedroom door or another door in your house. It's very cute. So I hope you like all those activities, and I will see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.